You're looking for the best Forex broker. I got you, no worries. For the last 10 months, we have been using a broker that has changed the game. I've been trading since 2017. I've seen them all, I've tested them all, and I finally found one that I feel comfortable enough to share with you today. And the great thing about it is that you can start with small amounts of money. Most people don't have the $10,000, $20,000. They want to start with $100 to $500. Well, this broker allows you to take a small account and flip it into a larger account. They have great spreads. Their withdrawal process is super simple, super easy. I'm not going to talk you to death. We're going to go ahead and jump in the computer and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. But if you want to use it, make sure you click the link below so that you can get the free bonus. Sometimes it's $50, sometimes it's double your money. It depends on the time when you watch this video, but use the link below, get the broker, and then let me know how you like it. I'll see you on the other side. Let's go. The platform I'm talking about is Genesis FX. It can be done on a computer or your phone. The platform is super simple, very clean, not very confusing. You have your dashboard right here. You can set up your profile. You have your wallet. It does connect to Trade Locker. So if you're somebody who's using like a MetaTrader, it does connect to Trade Locker. You can see that right here. Once you're logged into your account, you see your balances, your equity, your margin. You have your pairs, which you can choose from over here. Lot sizes here, your buy and your sell. If you have something that you want to trade and you want to go right here and set a pending order, hit the plus sign. You can do a pending. These will light up when the markets are open. You have everything here on your side, all your tools. So it does connect with Trade Locker, and Trade Locker can be done from your phone. Okay. Now, the thing that I was speaking on earlier is about the 10X account. They have something that allows you to take a small account. You select a deposit amount and they're going to 10X it. Meaning if you put $125 in, they're going to give you $1,250, $1,250. Their only rule is that you can only have a max drawdown of 10%. So if we do some simple math over here on Google, $1,250, the max drawdown is $125, which means your initial investment, you cannot lose more than when you withdrew, more than you deposited. Okay. So with that, they have multiple tiers. You can start with $125 all the way down to $50,000. So if you're somebody who says, hey, I'm willing to put $500 in, you're going to have a $5,000 account, meaning you can't lose no more than the $500 that you started with, and you're able to trade. Now, with that, you have to wait 5 trading days before you're actually able to withdraw that money. 5 trading days, and then you're able to withdraw it. Imagine what you could do with a $5,000 trading account if you had proper rules, proper discipline, if you had a compound plan, if you were a part of a community that was trading, right? You could actually grow this account and start withdrawing money as little as a week. Like, that's a huge, huge piece. Most brokers do not have a 10X account option. Your withdrawals are very fast, but 30 to 45 minutes at max. You can transfer between accounts. Everything comes up here to your wallet. It's very simple and very easy. Again, Genesis FX. If you want to use this broker, click the link in the description. Go ahead and get it set up, and you get a bonus for using the link. So use the link, get the bonus, start trading, 10X your account. Now, you stayed along for this video, and I want to give you something that I've been using, and I've been helping tens of thousands of people use the same platform. This platform actually gives you trades every single day. They give you trade signals and alerts sent straight to your phone, okay? Straight to your phone. I want you to see this. This is their trade history right here. This is page 1. All right, we look at the dates, 12/26, 12/15, 12/12/11. You can see the dates right here. And I want you to think about this. You don't need a lot of trades to make a lot of money. You just need the right trades with the right leverage. Now, if you look right here, it says TP3 hit 210 pips, TP2 hit, TP2 hit, all TPs hit, all TP2 hit. All of these are TP'd. So you imagine from 11/24 all the way to 12/26, you hit all these TPs, and these were trades sent directly to your phone that you can utilize inside of your 10X account. Okay. Now, if you don't believe, let's go to page 2. We're going to scroll over. We're going to look at the dates right here. We were closed right here. We closed out. So this is a stop loss. That was one stop loss. TP2, stop loss. That's 2 stop loss. TP3, TP3. So on this page alone, we only got hit twice. You're never going to be 100% accurate. So just from this through 2 screens, page 1 and page 2, we had 2 TPs hit. Now imagine what you could do with these signals, these trade alerts sent directly to your phone inside of your 10X account. You don't have to know how to read a chart. You don't have to be a trading guru. You could be a mom, a full-time student, somebody who's just busy and just wants to make extra money. But utilizing this service with this broker is the key to making a lot of money. And it's very, very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link for Akashex below in the description. Get started with me, and I'm going to be able to help you every step of the way. You can be a part of our community, and you can start winning with us. Guys, I'll see you on the inside.